Hello friends, this is Rohit Kumar Saw from Devi Nandraj Public School. Today we will start about angle. So now what are angles? A shape formed by two lines or rays diverging from a common point means वैसा शेप जो दो रे से बना हो और जिसका एक कॉमन पॉइंट हो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं एंगल, राइट। यहाँ पे ओ ए एक क्या है, लाइन है, ओ बी है क्या है, एक लाइन है, और ये दोनों का कॉमन वर्टेक्स क्या है, ओ है। सो टू रेज विच हैव अ कॉमन वर्टेक्स दैट इज कॉल्ड angles, right? So here it can be written as angle AOB. You can also write its name, that is angle BOA, right? हम लोग इसको दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, एंगल AOB एंड एंगल BOA। स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमेशा आपको माइंड में रखना है कि हम लोग वर्टेक्स को मिडिल पे रखना है जब आप एंगल को नेमिंग करते हैं तो। सो इसीलिए ये हम लोग दो तरीके से लिख सकते हैं। सो हियर वी विल राइट एंगल AOB or you can also write angle BOA. Now the point which is inside the angle, that is called anterior point, and a point which is outside an angle, that is called exterior point. And OB is called its side. It is also called as arm. So here OB is side and OA is side, right? Students, now we will discuss about triangles. What is triangles? Listen, a polygon with three sides and three vertices are called triangles. Means वैसा पॉलीगॉन जिसका थ्री साइड्स है, कितने साइड्स है, थ्री, एंड थ्री वर्टिसेस, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, ट्रायंगल्स। सो इट्स डेफिनेशन इज अ पॉलीगॉन विथ थ्री साइड्स एंड थ्री वर्टिसेस आर कॉल्ड ट्रायंगल्स। लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल। हियर ABC is a triangle where AC is a side, BC is a side, and AB is a side. So there are three sides, so it is a triangle, right? And there are also three vertices. First vertex is B, second vertex is A, and third vertex is C. So there are three vertices A, B, and C. Understood, children? Our next topic is about quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? Candidate, a four-sided closed figure is called quadrilaterals. Example, square, parallelogram. You can take also many examples like trapezium, like rhombus. At first we take about a square. There are four sides, AB, BC, CD, and DA, right? So there are four sides and four vertices, right? And you can also see in the parallelogram, here there are also four sides and four vertices. So its definition is a four-sided closed figure. A four-sided closed figure is called quadrilaterals, right? Listen, here we will discuss about adjacent sides, right? So we will see in the example here, right? Here PQ and QR are adjacent side. How? See, जब हम लोग दो साइड कंटिन्यूसली लेते हैं, जैसे we take PQ and QR, this is continuously two sides, right? So it is called adjacent side. So there are another adjacent side, see QR and RS. It is also continuously two sides, so it is called adjacent side, and so on, right? You can also say SP and PQ. Now we will discuss about adjacent angles. Students, अभी मैंने बताया adjacent means what? साथ साथ, continuously, right? So अभी हम लोग देखें PQ and QR दोनों साथ साथ साइड्स हैं, PQ and QR. So इसको हम लोग क्या बोले? Adjacent side. Same thing is here. Here angle Q and angle R दोनों क्या है? साथ साथ हैं. Angle R and angle S क्या है? दोनों साथ साथ हैं. एंड सो ऑन. इस तरह से हम लोग और भी लिख सकते हैं एंगल एस एंड एंगल पी. सो बेसिकली हम लोग यहाँ पे एडजेसेंट का मीनिंग सीखे हैं दोनों साथ साथ, राइट? सो हियर एंगल क्यू एंगल आर इज एन एडजेसेंट एंगल, एंगल पी एंड एंगल एस इज ऑल्सो एन एडजेसेंट एंगल. नाउ अपोजिट साइड्स. हियर यू कैन सी PQ is opposite to side SR, right? And PS is opposite to side QR, right? So you can write like this: PQ is just opposite to SR and PS is just opposite to QR. Same thing applied here, opposite angles. Here angle P is just opposite to angle R and angle S is just opposite to angle Q. Understood, children? Now we will see about circles, right? At first we will see its definition. What is a circle? What is a circle? A circle is a round two-dimensional shape. A circle is a round two-dimensional shape. All points on the edge of the circles are at the same distance from the center. मतलब देखिए सर्कल्स क्या है? एक राउंड 2D शेप का है, टू डायमेंशनल, जिसको हम लोग आसानी से ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. जनरली हम लोग राउंड फिगर को सर्कल बोल देते हैं, बट आवर बेस्ट डेफिनेशन इज अबाउट अ सर्कल. A circle is a round two-dimensional shape. All points on the edge of the circles are at the same distance from the center. So it is the best definition. Now, there are so many things that we will discuss here, right? At first, we will discuss about point O. Here, point O is called center. और इस पॉइंट से सर्कल के किसी भी पॉइंट पे उसका जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमेशा फिक्स्ड होगा, और इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? रेडियस. इट इज कॉल्ड रेडियस. एंड a line segment that is passes through its center is called its diameter. So here BC is called diameter. Understood, children? Now here you can see DC is a line segment, right? And it is called chord. What it is called? Chord. Means आप सर्कल के किसी भी दो पॉइंट को आप ज्वाइन करते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? chord. And keep one thing in your mind, that longest chord in a circle is also called a diameter. Understood, children? And it always be pass from its center. Now we take 2 points Q and R. Understood, children? We take 2 points Q and arc, and this is called an arc. Understood? And next thing we will see here about what is a sector. See here. Here AC is an arc, and shaded portion of this thing is called sector. Understood? Same thing is applied here. Here DC is an arc and this shaded portion is called segment. Understood, children?